Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into crisscross arms. Scoop your right arm under your left, placing opposite hand to shoulder. Adding a twist, begin to gently rotate from right to left, keeping your spine long and your shoulders relaxed, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Pausing at center, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your chin towards your chest, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, gently stretching through your shoulders, upper back, and neck. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Scoop your left arm under your right, placing opposite hand to shoulder. Maintain your arms as you gently rotate from right to left, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders. Pausing at center, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Cross your right leg over your left. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip and low back. Lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your low back and left outer hip. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.